In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a search in the Zillow iPhone app. First, open the Zillow app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load the home screen. If you're signed in, your saved items and preferences will sync automatically across devices, which is helpful later when you want to revisit this search. If you're not signed in, that's okay. You can still follow along and save the search on this device. Next, perform a search for homes or rentals. Tap the search bar at the top and type the city, neighborhood, or zip code you're interested in. You can also pan and zoom the map if you prefer to explore visually. Decide whether you're looking for homes for sale or rentals and switch to the appropriate tab if needed. Take a moment to refine your results. Set your price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and any other key filters like home type or, for rentals, pet-friendly options. The more specific you get here, the more useful your saved search will be later. If you like drawing custom areas on the map, this is a great time to outline the exact neighborhood you care about so your saved search stays focused on that boundary. When your results look right, tap Save Search. Depending on your screen layout, you'll usually see this near the top of the results or along the edge of the map. Tapping it tells Zillow you want to lock in your current location, filters, and view so you don't have to set them up again next time. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the search. This is optional, but it's a great way to stay organized, especially if you plan to save more than one search. A clear, descriptive name makes a big difference. For example, you might use something like downtown condos under 500K or two-bedroom rentals near the park. If you'd rather not name it, you can leave it as is and move on. Finally, tap Save Search again to confirm. That's it. Your search is now saved with all the filters and the map area you selected. From here on, you can easily return to the Saved section of the app to reopen this exact set of results without re-entering anything. Zillow may also notify you when new listings match what you've saved, which can help you act quickly in a competitive market. To recap, open Zillow on your iPhone, search for homes or rentals, refine your filters and map, tap Save Search, optionally give it a helpful name, and tap Save Search to confirm. You're all set to stay organized and up to date with the listings that matter most to you.